Candy or cancer?
What do you typically think of when you see images such as these?
Perhaps you think of things such as a healthy lifestyle, being fit, or eating well.
I bet you would never associate these things with
Tobacco!
In the last decade, sales of smokeless tobacco have increased by 40%, with younger adults being 3.4 times more likely to have heard of flavored chewing tobacco.
So, the question we want to ask you is it candy or cancer?
1/3 of college students use chewing tobacco, even if they know about the side effects.
There are many common misconceptions about the prevalence and severity of the side effects associated with the use of chewing tobacco.
We talked to many young adults to get a general sense of some of these common misconceptions.
In a study done by Regan Dubé and Arizola, most participants were unsure of the harmfulness of chewing tobacco, despite the fact it is one of the most recognized forms of tobacco, independent of whether the participant was a user or non-user of the product.
So let us tell you, the consequences are real and they're not that pretty. In mild cases, the use of chewing tobacco can cause addiction to nicotine, receding gums, bone loss around tooth roots, abrasion of teeth, cavities and tooth decay, stained and discolored teeth, and bad breath, just to name a few.
In more extreme cases of chewing tobacco use, there can be more severe consequences such as mouth, tongue, cheek, gum, and throat cancer, esophagus cancer, stomach cancer, pancreatic cancer, increased risk of heart disease, heart attacks and stroke, and leukoplakia, which is white sores in the mouth that can become cancer.
So, compare these two packages and gauge your initial perception of each. Flavored chewing tobacco is marketed towards young adults with use of bright, colorful packaging and sugary flavors. Without the stigma that smoking cigarettes has garnered over the last decade or so, many young adults are naive to the serious health risks associated with the use of flavored chewing tobacco.
We encourage you to learn the facts. Educate yourself about the possible risks of using products containing nicotine. With many new fads in the tobacco industry, it is easy to be fooled about the severity of using things such as flavored chewing tobacco. So let us ask you this question again. Is it candy or cancer?
Make the right choice.
Backwoods legit, don't take no shit. Chew tobacco, chew tobacco, chew tobacco spit. Oh heck.